It's so difficult to dress Islamically, especially for the sisters, because of what's going on across the globe, because of the environment you may be living in that may not be Islamic, because of whatever other reason. It's so difficult. So many have contemplated abandoning the hijab based on what hooligans and those who are not connected to Islam are perpetrating in the name of Islam in terms of violence and killings across the globe or in some parts of the globe. And it has a negative impact on every one of us. So some contemplate to abandon the hijab because it's become difficult to catch, for example, the public transport in certain countries, identifying yourself as a Muslim. My sister, for you, your paradise lies in remaining upright for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As difficult as it was, you said, oh Allah, you can see how difficult it is. You know, but I'm never going to compromise something that is connected to your pleasure. That's your jannah. That to me is more important than anything else, because it's that moment that will determine what deed is of value. At a time when it's extremely difficult for you to do something and you do it for the sake of Allah, that is what the value is all about.